times their normal August rainfall. And here comes the next batch now, moving up across towards that eastern side of Northern Ireland. In fact, all the way around the Irish Sea, it looks like a pretty wet afternoon. Certainly not the sort of day to be heading for the beaches, particularly with temperatures just 15, 16, 17 degrees in that fairly brisk easterly wind. The heaviest of the rain concentrated across that eastern side of Northern Ireland, but there will be some rain further north too. A fairly unpleasant afternoon across many parts of Scotland, except for the far northwest. The white sand beaches of the Northwest Highlands looking gorgeous through this afternoon. Across the rest of the UK, some heavy rain to be found as well, across Wales particularly, but a few heavy showers breaking out across the southwest. Temperatures struggling once again, 18 to 21 degrees at the very best. Now, through this evening, most of us will again see some more rain for a time. It spirals around in most places overnight, along with fairly cloudy skies and some brisk winds too running up through the English Channel. But all that tends to hold the temperatures up between 13 and 15 degrees. The strongest winds by the end of the night will be at the eastern end of the English Channel, so some of the fast ferry services could well be affected by that over the next 12 hours. Gusts up to about 40 miles an hour along that southeast coast. Pretty breezy start to the day, along with some showers too across the Channel Islands, so not quite as good as you're having it through today. The wind's not quite as strong by the start of the day tomorrow across the southwest, but still blowing in a fair number of showers here and across Wales, still some of those on the heavy side. The good news for Northern Ireland, though, is that things are looking rather dry tomorrow. Any showers that you do see, and there will be one or two around, will be on the light side. Not quite so good, meanwhile, for the far northwest of Scotland. More in the way of cloud moving in here, the remnants of the overnight rain and a brisk wind blowing that rain in across the eastern side of Scotland. Unpleasant start today across much of northern England and the Midlands as well. A gradual improvement, but only really to bright spells and showers. The heavier showers probably across England and Wales. A lot of dry weather to come across Northern Ireland, fortunately, but those temperatures still struggling, even in the sunshine, 18 to 20 degrees at the very best. It will feel cool in the breeze across southern areas. For Wednesday, well, the best atmosphere, I think, is that there'll be more dry weather than wet, but still some rain around, similar sort of temperatures, and it still looks fairly unsettled right through to the end of the week. So I'm afraid, Kate,